Hi, welcome to Navigating Earth. In this video, we'll answer the question, what is spirituality? And then provide 10 essential elements to being spiritual. At the end of the video, let me know if you agree or disagree. Tell me what spirituality means to you. But before we jump there, if you're passionate about spiritual, creative, and personal growth, click that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications to receive our weekly uploads. Let's help each other navigate Earth. So what is spirituality? Spirituality refers to the state of seeking and experiencing a deeper sense of meaning, purpose, and connection in life, often transcending the material or physical aspects of existence. It involves exploring and nurturing the human spirit, soul, and inner essence to gain insight into our beliefs, values, and inner world. Through this process of personal growth, spirituality encourages a deeper understanding of oneself and the nature of existence, unlocking the mysteries within. The path of spirituality is one of continuous growth and evolution. Embracing change, learning from experiences, and striving to become the best version of oneself are fundamental aspects of this journey. Spirituality also acknowledges the unity of all beings, embracing the concept that we all originate from the same divine source. This recognition of interconnectedness promotes absolute inclusivity regardless of who you love, what you believe, or what you look like. It emphasizes a profound sense of oneness, fostering a compassionate and accepting perspective toward all individuals, irrespective of their differences. While spirituality can manifest differently for each person, here are 10 essential elements to being a spiritual individual. Number 1, interconnectedness and oneness with all. Spirituality recognizes a universal thread that binds all living beings together. It emphasizes the notion that each individual's spiritual journey is intimately connected to the collective human experience and the greater web of life. By embracing this interconnectedness, spirituality fosters a sense of responsibility, empathy, and reverence for all forms of existence, promoting harmony and a deeper understanding of our place in the vast tapestry of the universe. Number 2, connection to something greater. Spiritual individuals often feel a connection to a higher power, the universe, nature, or a divine energy. This divine source is all-loving, inclusive, and embodies unconditional love, compassion, and acceptance for all beings regardless of their beliefs, backgrounds, or identities. This divine source is said to transcend human limitations, embracing every soul with boundless grace and understanding, fostering a sense of interconnectedness and unity among all living beings. It represents a profound source of comfort, guidance, and inspiration, inviting individuals to embrace love, empathy, and open-heartedness in their spiritual journey. Number 3, sense of purpose. Spirituality can provide a sense of purpose and direction in life. It may involve finding meaning beyond day-to-day activities and striving to align one's actions with deeper values and principles. Number 4, compassion and empathy. Spiritual individuals often cultivate qualities such as compassion, empathy, and kindness towards themselves and others. They recognize the interconnectedness of all living beings and treat everyone as brothers and sisters who come from the same source of divine love and energy. Number 5, transcendence. Being spiritual can involve experiences of transcending the limitations of the physical world and connecting with a higher or expanded state of consciousness. It's an openness to explore different experiences and ideas that may go beyond our 5 senses. Number 6, exploring truth and wisdom. Spiritual seekers often have a thirst for knowledge and wisdom. They may explore various philosophies, religious traditions, or spiritual practices to gain insight into life's mysteries. spirituality transcends the boundaries of religion and dogma, inviting individuals to embark on a deeply personal and introspective journey. Number 7, mindfulness and presence. Practicing mindfulness and being present in the moment are common aspects of spirituality. It involves paying attention to the present experience without judgment and with full awareness. This is what it means to stop and smell the roses. It's recognizing that beauty exists in the smallest of things. We just need to be still and present to appreciate them. Number 8, inner peace and contentment. Being spiritual can lead to a sense of inner peace, contentment, and an acceptance of life's ups and downs. It may involve finding peace or gratitude in the midst of challenges and uncertainties. Number 9, service and contribution. Many spiritual beings are driven to serve others and contribute to the well-being of the world. They recognize the importance of helping others and making a positive impact. Number 10, spiritual expansion. Being spiritual often involves a continuous journey of personal growth and evolution. It may entail embracing change, learning from experiences, and striving to become the best version of oneself and to understand one's beliefs, values, and inner world. It entails seeking a deeper understanding of oneself and the nature of existence. Overall, spirituality nurtures a sense of wonder, compassion, and mindfulness, guiding us toward a more meaningful and inclusive existence. Embracing spirituality empowers us to find peace in the middle of life's uncertainties, to cultivate a profound sense of purpose, and to foster harmony within ourselves and the world around us. As we delve into the depths of spirituality, we open ourselves to a transformative experience that enriches our lives and grants us a deeper understanding of the profound mysteries that lie both within and beyond us. May your journey be filled with peace, love, and profound connectedness. Thanks for stopping by Navigating with.